So today I just want to share you what it looked like after the snowstorm. So today guys, it's nice, sunny, a little cold, and the driveway now is look like very clear. We have still a mountain of snow you can see, but it is much better, and I hope it's gonna be warm for a couple of days so that we can really clear up the snow. By the way guys, I just arrived from New York City. I just want to share you how it's looked like here in Hampton, New York. Very much it's clearing now, and as you can see, no more ice on the road, but still we have a little bit much better, and it's getting warm. Hopefully no more snow, but we will be warmer this week. All right, thank you for watching. By the way, subscribe to my channel, Lourdes McRae, like and share, and comment, and I will get back to you. You will learn a lot in Hampton, New York, in Queens, New York City. I share it to you what is all going to happen here where I am. Bye. God bless. Thanks.